Is it possible to record drums with just one mic and still get a professional sound? That's what we're going to talk about today. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Brad Allen. I'm a former U.S. Army drummer who now records tracks for artists in my home studio and perform around the Kansas City area. Most drummers assume they need a lot of microphones to get a professional sound. And it's easy to see why. Maybe they recorded in an expensive studio where an engineer had mics on every single instrument on the kit, or maybe they've seen pictures of famous drummers surrounded by a forest of microphones. I've been fortunate in my career to perform with some older musicians who actually remember sessions where the whole band was recorded with one well-placed mic. If it's possible to record a whole band that way, then it stands to reason that we should be able to get a great drum sound using the same method. So how do you actually do it? There's no single right way to record an entire drum set using one mic. Much of it depends on your playing style and the room that you're recording in. And it's definitely worth experimenting to find out what works in your space and with your style. As a general rule, keep the microphone close to the drums to minimize unwanted room reflections. If you're hearing too much of the room, just move the mic a little closer to the drums. Personally, I've found that placing the mic just above the kick drum, near the inner hoop and angled toward the snare, gives me a nice balanced sound across the entire kit. Once you've got a nice balanced sound, you can sweeten it up with a little bit of EQ, some compression, and maybe a little bit of reverb. The great thing about using only one mic is it's very easy to mix. You're only working with a single track. Here's what the drums sound like with EQ, compression, and reverb. And here's what they sound like raw before any effects. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and if you've ever tried recording drums with one mic. I'd love to know what your results were. And before you go, I've got a bonus for you. It's called 10 Beats All Drummers Need to Know. It comes with a downloadable PDF and an exclusive video with me demonstrating all the beats, all free. Just follow the link in the video in the comments below to get your copy. And I'll see you for the next video.